Wild Weasel is a code name given by the United States Air Force to an aircraft of any type equipped with anti-radiation missiles and tasked with the suppression of enemy air defenses, destroying the radar and surface-to-air missile installations of enemy air defense systems. The first Wild Weasel success came soon after the first Wild Weasel mission 20 December 1965, when Captains Al Lam and Jack Donovan took out a site during a rolling thunder strike on the rail yard at Yen Bai, some 75 miles northwest of Hanoi. The Wild Weasel concept was developed by the United States Air Force in 1965 after the introduction of Soviet SAMs and their downing of U.S. strike aircraft over the skies of North Vietnam. The program was headed by General Kenneth Dempster. Wild Weasel tactics and techniques began their development in 1965 following the commencement of Operation Rolling Thunder during the Vietnam War and were later adapted by other nations during following conflicts, as well as being integrated into the suppression of enemy air defenses, a plan used by U.S. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.